you.
You have fish, bring me food you want.
We'll try good.
Okay. Have a nice time. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Have a nice time.
Thank you.
Today we're walking along the pier. Just joking. Today we're going on that thing. That's right. We are doing a boat trip. Finally. No, not the one on the right, not the big one. The dinky little one there on the left. It looks small, but let's hope it's full of surprises. Hello.
Да, давай на виню, пожалуйста.
Do I put your shoes here, guys?
Yes, do it. You can put your shoes here, my friend, and then you can go upstairs.
Are we going upstairs or downstairs?
Yeah, you put your shoes in here, and then you can go upstairs.
You can put your shoes here, and then you go upstairs.
So when you quick to do it, what are you doing?
Well, I didn't know. Oh, you're not? Yeah, just for a little while.
Sorry,
Okay, we'll stay up for a bit then. And we're off already. This is nice and smooth. Yeah, so even if I go overboard, I've got a tiny platform to put my water in. This is like different to Turkey.
That's the yellow, the blue thing that you saw earlier.
It is, isn't it? We got some wind. That's good, it's cooling me down. Hello and welcome to our snorkeling trip. First up, if anyone can make out a word I'm saying, well done, you probably got better than I do. It was really windy on the initial boat trip out. Don't know why that is. It just was extremely windy. I think it was fairly windy for the most part, but this bit in particular felt a lot windier. As you might have already seen, this is a very long video, so this is going to be split up into multiple parts, so do keep an eye out for the following parts coming out soon. But that's enough waffling, let's get into it. Where are we going? A see some boats in the distance. I see a patch of land. Are we going to the island? It might be. I don't know. According to... Yes. Yeah, I felt that one. Got a nice sea salt spray. I will stabilise myself by holding on. Oh. We're getting patches of rough, choppy sea, but it's not so bad at the moment. I remember Turkey rocking back and forth like loads. This is nice, it's relaxing. Also the music's not too loud. Yep. Are we going to the small one? Wow. Okay. According to the map, we might be heading to a small island that we can see. That is so amazing there. Wow. They are getting bigger. Going to be bobbing up and down on those later on. I don't know how I feel about that. But we'll remain optimistic, won't we? I am quite thankful for this breed actually, because it's not only is it cooling me down, but it's cooling the camera down, which means I can record for a bit longer before it just shuts off. Oh no, now we're getting side to side. Okay. I can handle up and down. I can't handle side to side for some reason. We were in the sun quite a bit. We're in the sun now. The sun is over our heads at the moment. I felt myself lift into the air for a bit there. Got a bit of air time. Hopefully once we stop moving, it might be a bit more stable, maybe. Please, be stable. But yeah, the island thingy is definitely getting bigger. I don't know if that's where we're going. It seems to be going maybe slightly to the left of that right now. Potentially that's where the dock is. I don't know. We booked this all very last minute, so I don't really know what's going on. glass of cola down. I hope that helps me settle my nerves a bit. He said the first stop is something to do with the glass boat underneath. We'll see what that looks like in hopefully a short while. So according to the guy, that island there is the last stop. First stop is getting to something like a coral reef, and we're going to go under and we're going to have a look via the glass walls, I don't know. We'll find out when we get there. Sea is a deep, deep blue now, and that tells you you're in a deep, deep sea now. Yeah, it's a bit cloudier today, isn't it? But normally it's nice clear sky.
Yeah. If you were to go straight down.
Was it?
Yeah. Is it after you take off the boat?
Yeah. Okay. Well then, I'm not going to bore you too much with up and down and up and down and up and down. I'll catch you a lot when we get towards the first stop. Seems to be all good. It's fishing. Good to know. I thought we were slowing down, I can't tell anymore. I thought we were slowing down, but I can't tell anymore.
No, we're not.
Maybe it's because it's less rough, so it feels a bit slower.
Now it's
Oh, it looks like it's shallow around there at least. No, the pier wouldn't extend for that long. Ah. You feel it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We weren't in line with the weights.
Mhm.
So they hit us right and left and right. Like now.
Let's see, hopefully we get used to it and we're all good. But we're getting closer and closer to the island. Are we? Of course there's a beach on the island, Dylan, come on. Spray's getting up the base, that's nice. I do just a little blue. Potentially. But I would prefer the dock. Because I don't want to get on the smaller boat. I'd rather sit on, if you can call this big. Not this on the boat, it seems okay right now. Oh, it's left to right now. Yeah. That's a good way. Fine. So, look in the direction you're bobbing up and down in. If you start bobbing left to right, you need to look 90 degrees. Turn your head. You've got a small boat that you have to get on and off the island. But I don't know you, I don't want to get to a smaller boat. I was hoping we'd use the pin. Yeah, I thought so. But I don't mind a sneak peek of what we're going to get. But we're getting right by this boat.
You get a better view of the mountain.
I really like what we're going to do closer to it. Capturing the other boat. Okay. Okay, we are definitely stopping. Yeah, well done. Right, once you come to a stop, don't get up because I did not want to get up while it's moving. Alright. Yeah, leave the bags here.
I've got a camera in there, yeah?
Yeah, you shouldn't need it, hopefully I've got mine. Okay. This is my t-shirt to pick up. Do you want to grab the camera, Dylan?
Sorry?
Oh, you got it.
Ah, 9. I have 7. You have 9.
Yes.
Yes.
You have 7.
Yes, I
Very
have
good.
7. Yeah, very good.
Oh yeah, that is stuff. Oh, you don't want to do it now, okay? Yeah, I don't need to.
Oh, this is nice.
For a moment, I didn't think it was glass.
Wow.
I was wondering, are we going to jump in there?
Yeah.
No, why? I can see the earth at the bottom.
Yeah.
Can, just about. I'm guessing we're getting close.
Okay.
Give it a loo rating quickly.
There's fish.
The last thing filming the
Don't think there's
boat.
any fish right now. Because we're a boat. We don't really want to go into the fish.
Oh wow.
We drop it all.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
That's
okay.
missing it all.
Oh, have you Jadu?
You from India, my friend?
India.
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 What is it, father?
Toilet,
Yeah. and I see loads of fish now.
Yeah, this is.
Oh, that's great. Dad shouldn't have gone to the toilet now, should he?
Oh,
Whoa.
this is crazy.
Mum, you're not recording. We're just recording it all, Mum. You can take pictures while you're recording. Record it all. You can take pictures while you're recording.
This is insane. I've never done it before, don't know. Not first time.
Dad, you're missing it all.
Free dive. Free dive.
Move
Oh.
up a little bit.
Free dive.
First time, yes.
Okay, right, this way.
Free dive. It's what they say.
You first time?
Yeah.
You bleach, trust me, you come with me.
Oh, did you see the turtle?
She can't swim.
She comes, oh my god. Only she? Only she?
we can kind of swim.
Yeah, kind of.
We will have a look.
Don't worry. We teach you how we swimming and how you make free dive, okay?
Oh wow.
Yeah. You missed it all. Literally, you missed
Yeah.
it all.
There was something like that, only a little bit.
In the camera.
It was.
It's
yeah,
all
So
in
at the bar in the middle. You
Trying
want
to
to
get. No, not to get the bar.
but you're right in the middle.
Don't get barred.
не надо было
I can get my hand down here.
No, don't go too close to the glass. I don't want to drop it. Alright, be careful, yeah? You can see it up close and bursting now.
Only teeny fish.
No,
how
They
deep
were,
is
they were
that?
big ones.
Look at how deep.
Yeah.
Yes.
Also,
No
it's-
way I'm going in there.
She's scared.
Okay, right. Except come to stop. I'm out and sit down.
No, I'm fine. I'm fine here.
Okay.
Just safe. Get a picture of the fish.
Look, swimming fish here. Nemo.
Nemo.
Yes. Here.
Yeah, I see it.
Я не вижу.
Ты не видела?
Не вижу.
Я
А,
покажу, я покажу.
Кого? Кто-то?
На Немо. Немо. Рыбка Немо.
Немо рыба.
Это я не знаю.
А это как из мультика.
Why we can't go on that down there?
What, on the glass?
Капитан.
Right, underwater.
Because
Там небо?
we've got snorkeling, not scuba
Да,
diving.
мультик тоже так
So deep.
называется.
Look at
Mum,
that.
yeah, Mum, we're snorkeling, not scuba diving.
It's so deep.
О, какие. А почему Красное море называют? Потому что песок красный, что ли?
Я не знаю.
This is crazy, man.
А, не знаешь. Вот надо знать.
Извините. Я
Почему
It's only
красный?
to go to the Great Barrier Reef.
Давай по-английски со мной, я
Up to a certain point, maybe.
Нет, ну а море красное почему называют?
Good. How you feeling?
я не понимаю.
I'm looking at the
Извините.
moment. Let's just ask me when we're in the water.
Не знаю, песок красный.
Look, this fish.
Oh, yes.
Yeah,
Oh,
they
yeah.
stay together all the time.
А это что за рыба-то?
Yellow
Желтый
one.
черный.
Yes.
Как будто как из аквариума выплыли.
Did you catch that?
I think so.
You want me to get longer reach?
You got longer reach. I don't want to stick my hand on there and drop it. That's my only concern.
There's a boat, they're all going down there.
Potentially, but I think they're still staying quite close.
Whoa.
Yeah, you're used to it now. aren't you?
Swingy, swingy, tunnel.
Mum, can I ask you a question?
What's swingy,
Marino, he
swingy,
doesn't feel disorientated.
Some of the glass up here.
Как
is right.
цветут.
Да.
Okay, stop talking.
This fish.
И кажутся такими как будто мягкими, да, они
Oh,
такие
yes.
колючие.
Just one of these.
Mhm. Oh, look at those.
You know, he stay with each other all the time. He love each other.
Husband and wife.
Yes.
Yeah, that sounds
This is
better.
insane.
This is just
Move it with the little they're kind of getting.
Okay, everybody is good swim or we need life jacket?
She definitely needs life jacket.
She life jacket.
I
Yeah.
think
You tell me she's good swimming.
No way. I have to hold her all the time.
Yes.
Oh, look, a big one, Tom.
А тоже тебе.
I think it might be worth me having a life jacket.
Are you shooting life jacket?
Жилет, да.
Okay.
Just in case.
Будешь жилет в него?
I've charged.
А ты?
Купаться, что ли?
Да, жилет хочешь?
А круг-то
Хороший
есть?
глав. Коробки есть.
Ну,
Хороший
жилета
глав.
I'm gonna ask you.
поплаваю.
Okay.
Should we all try a life jacket just in
Yeah.
case?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ну, без жилетки. А где? Где? Прямо сейчас в море, что ли? Ну, жилетку одену, наверное.
Хорошо.
And him, and him. Yeah, all four. All four. Safe. So no stress for you.
Just
Yeah.
first time we'll try it.
But if you have life jacket, you can
Cannot
go
go
with
in.
me.
Maybe after I will take it off and see.
No problem. Yes.
First try.
Yes.
You ready, Dylan? Thumbs up. You'll be fine.
You bring your because when you are, he can go upstairs when you are with, or he can go to the salon when you are with. You must
dry off.
Yes, when you go outside from the water, you must dry yourself.
I told you to bring your towel, didn't I?
No.
The hand towel.
Okay.
It doesn't matter.
Underwater, please. We have one name from the group because maybe you come in another people here. His name Dolphin Group. When I say Dolphin Group, follow me. We show you the coral, we show you the fishing, we show you everything. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. But by the way,
Mum, let go of him. Time to get the water. Yeah, should I get in?
Yeah.
Okay, Dylan, have you got it strapped to your wrist? Alright.
I can't hold Dylan at your mum.
Dylan, is it fit? Why, you just turn around and come in.
Yeah, turn around. Come here. Okay, you're going to help Dylan? Yeah, I'll help Dylan.
If it seems like things are pretty chaotic with the camera going in and out of the water, that's because it pretty much was like nearly chaos. We first had an issue with the number of snorkels. We all wanted to try to go actually snorkeling, but they didn't have enough because apparently we were meant to get them before we got on the boat, which you'd think the agent at the hotel would tell us before we got on. When we asked them the night before when we actually booked it, they said, oh, they'll have everything for us, but apparently they didn't have it because we were meant to bring it, so that was a bit strange. Luckily, one of the people who did bring one on actually decided they didn't want to do it, so they had just enough to get us on. Once we got into the water, there was like a little life ring that you could hold on to, so some people were holding onto that, and I think I was one of the ones initially trailing along behind. So apologies in advance if any of the footage is excessively shaky. That is because I'm trying to swim to keep up.
You have to bite down over there. Bite down, yeah? Oh, you need to push all the way down. You did obviously survive the way to fly. You won't breathe out your mouth, yeah?
Hold your breath. You want to hold the ring? Hold the ring, the hold that.
So I can vouch for our tour guide for one thing. I can vouch for him on many other things, but this one thing is very important. He is one hell of a swimmer. He was dragging at least 3 other people along with him on that life ring, and was still able to basically outswim me and my dad. It was insane, but it was a real struggle to keep up, so I've had to cut out a fair bit of this footage because it is literally just me struggling to keep up with him with me swimming because I've got a wrist strap on, so footage is a little bit shaky.
Oh.
What do you think?
I think that's pretty good. I'd love to do it again, but yeah, no doubt.
Put that down for a sec.
Is that staying in there?
Relax for a second. Oh wow, that was insane. So,
How long was that?
40 minutes.
40 minutes. Good stuff.
Battery's low.
The battery's low. Let me check my battery.
Right, so that pretty much summarises it for part one of our snorkeling boat trip. Part 2 will be us travelling and to and going on the island. Do stay tuned for that. I will just summarise the issues. I'll go more in depth in part 2, but summarise the issues. The lack of snorkels, didn't work properly, and Dylan's life jacket didn't work properly. It came undone a couple of times during the snorkeling trip. Anyway, I'm not going to moan this time. More in depth next episode. Bye bye.